Hello, I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing a new product. This is a zero clearance table insert for the Festool Kapex sliding miter saw. There'll be a link to this description in the description of this product and the Kapex saw in the description below. This is the table insert that we'll be selling for the Kapex. All that's necessary is a 15 Torx screwdriver. We've already removed the screws from the insert to shorten up the video, so we'll go ahead and install this. We're taking something that's easy and we're making it easier here at Custom Fabricating Solutions, as you'll see. And we'll go ahead. You want to get all those in there and let's get them started. Don't torque them, get them all started. You don't want to use a power driver or power screwdriver on these. They're very small screws. They're fine thread. We don't recommend using that. We recommend just using a regular Torx screwdriver on them to avoid any kind of cross-threading, stripping of the threads. Make sure these sit just below the surface. That's it. You're all installed. That's the table insert for the Kapex by Custom Fabricating Solutions. Thank you.